gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nia, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my health and fitness routine. It is the new year, so I know a lot of us are really just trying to get back into the swing of eating healthier, moving our bodies, and all of that kind of stuff. I am included in that as well, and this pandemic has not made things easier on me or anybody else. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I eat in a day, and also I have been doing intermittent fasting, so a huge thank you to Do Fasting for sponsoring this portion of the video. They are an app that makes intermittent fasting a whole lot easier. I've heard about it before, but I've never actually did it. You get to choose what type of fasting window you guys would like to do. I am currently doing 14 hours of fasting and 10-hour window of eating. So it is 9:30 right now. I just dropped Riley off to school, and I will not start eating until about 10:30. So right now I'm just having some hot water with some lemon, and I also like to fill up and make sure that I am hydrated. So with the Do Fasting app, it allows me to track everything I'm eating, my workouts, water intake, everything. It has so many different things on the app that makes it easier. One thing I really do like is it will send you notifications letting you know that your fasting window is up. I also like the fact that it has a countdown, so like if you're struggling one day, you can kind of see where you're at and how much longer that you have to fast. On the app, it has different recipes, workouts, like you name it, it has it all right there, from articles and all of that kind of stuff. So I will have everything linked down below for you guys, especially if you're just trying to find a different way of eating healthier, moving your body without feeling restricted. And that's one thing that I have found that does not work for me anymore, is restricting what I eat. And with intermittent fasting, that is something that I am enjoying, is just the simple fact of being able to eat what I want during my window. And that has really been working for me. So a huge thank you to Do Fasting for sponsoring this portion of the video. I will have everything linked down below for you guys. Definitely sign up. It's such an easy app to use that is user-friendly. I'm gonna get some work done before I break my fast at 10:30, and then I'll show you guys and bring you guys along and let you know what I'm eating for the day. All right, so it is about to be 10:30. It's actually a really busy day. I have a new hire starting. Don't mind the mess. But when I dropped Riley off for school, I ended up picking up some Smoothie King. And this is like perfect for today because it is so busy. So I'm just going to have that. I got a strawberry banana gladiator with vanilla protein. So it's going to help with the protein intake. And I am going to be sipping on this while I train this girl.
You're a rebel, getting into trouble. You are kind of like a fire, like a fire, like a fire. Unpredictable, so original. You are never backing down, backing down, backing down. That's what I like about you. So dangerous, I get this rush when I'm with you. I go all in.
All right, so I just got done training. It was like a 2-hour training with the new girl. I drank all of my smoothie, and then I also like to fill up my mug. It is 30 ounces of water, which I try and get through at least 3 of these each and every single day, just making sure that I stay hydrated and all that stuff. I am starting to get hungry. It is 12:30 now. So I'm gonna just cook up something really quick. Okay, so in the pot, I have some cheese tortellinis cooking, so that should be really quick. And then I have some basil pesto, grape tomatoes, mozzarella pearls, and then I do also have a couple leaves of basil. Literally just going to whip this whole entire thing up, and it's going to be a quick lunch.
You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. I've tried some time.
a mid-afternoon snack. I have a rice cake with some peanut butter, a banana, and then I also have a Celsius drink. I love these Celsius drinks. It gives you a nice little boost of energy in the afternoon. And I'm trying the watermelon flavor, but my favorite is the grape and then also the Fuji apple. All right, so it is much later on in the day. I'm starting to get a little bit hungry, but that snack did hold me over a little bit. So I cut up about 2 potatoes. I'm gonna make a soup. I have some carrots, celery, and a half of a large white onion. So literally this soup, I've never made it before, but it looked really easy to put together. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of olive oil.
Wake up at your place, wake up at mine.
And then literally just throw all of this in there to cook. And then I'm gonna add a couple of seasonings as well.
I'm getting tired. We could have breakfast, counting your freckles, close to the west coast. How about that? Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we just get a place together? Why don't we just get a place together? We can get white walls with big windows up on the 3rd floor in our chateau. Why don't we just get a place together? Mornings in our own bed, so much better. Balconies and bathtubs, what you want? Why don't we
Okay, so it is starting to boil. I really just want to get the potatoes as soft as possible. So the only thing else that I'm going to add in here is some sweet peas.
strangers again?
When you stepped into my life, such a magic feeling. You tore it down.
To thicken things up a little bit, I'm gonna add in some flour. I just have some whole wheat flour. And then instead of heavy cream, I'm gonna use 2% milk and about a half a cup of that. And just stir, and then you want this to boil a little bit more, and then you can serve.
I wish I could go back to right before you told me I'd try to change it all. But look at us now, could have gone so far.
So here is the finished look. I might add a little bit more seasoning if it is a little bland, but it looks really, really good, hearty, and the perfect like winter meal to have. Also, I would probably pair this with some like saltine crackers or soup crackers. I don't have any here, but that's also another nice little substitute to add in here as well. All right, so it is much, much later on in the day, and I am in the mood to snack. So I am gonna have this small bag of Doritos for 150 calories, and then just continue to keep drinking my water to get myself full, because water is a natural appetite suppressant. Thank you guys so much for watching and hanging out with me today. A huge thank you to Do Fasting for sponsoring today's video. I will have everything linked down below, so definitely make sure to go check them out. Also, let me know if you guys are also on a health journey. What are some things that you guys struggle with? Because we're on this journey together, and I definitely want to share more content with you guys, especially things that you guys struggle with, things I struggle with, so that we don't feel alone, because I do think that is one of the biggest things when you are trying to do a healthier lifestyle change is you have different struggles, whether it's eating or moving your body and things like that. So any way that I can help, I definitely want to do so. But thank you guys so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I'll catch you guys in a couple days with another video. Bye.